And before I went to the place I was heading to, I ate first. I forgot to show my waking up moment because I wasn't able to record it. I'm kinda lazy that time. Also, I didn't finish my food because I was kinda full. I was about to leave but I decided not to go yet because it was still too hot outside. So I stayed in my room for a while, played guitar and did other things. Shit. While I'm playing, I noticed that the heat outside had subsided. So I stopped playing and decided to take a shower. Hello guys, I'm done. Let's go. Sa wakas, I'm finally here. Naglakad na lang pala ako pataas para mas masaya, sabi ko. After a few minutes, I realized that it was farther than it looks. Man, ang layo pala. 4 minutes passed and I was still far from my destination. I was start regretting my decision. Bakit ko pa kasi ito pinili na place na para pag-videoan? Ang taas. After some time, I finally reached my destination. Looks like my trip was worth after all. Because just look at this view, man. This is paradise. At andito na tayo sa taas ng bundok na to. If you're wondering I had someone with me, the answer is no. I came alone. I prefer being alone because when I'm alone, I can freely express my emotion.